Welcome to the pig stop. Today we are going to cover how to remove a 2014 or pre-2014 seat pole nipple. You notice the seat pole nipple is different from the new nipple where it's just kept on. This one has a screw on it. Okay, and the tools that we need to remove this whole set is size 5mm Allen key, a flat head and a Phillips head screwdriver. And if you have a mallet, get a mallet. I have a small little hammer here. So what you do is very simple. Unscrew this, which is what it's all about. Just have it unscrew, and once it's out, okay. Once the bolt is out, okay, this is not a screw, this is a bolt. Apology, this is a bolt. Once the bolt is out, the nipple will still not be able to come out. Okay, I will explain to you later why. And this is where you need your Phillips head screwdriver. You put your Phillips head screwdriver in and you tap lightly. You hear something drop? Yeah, it's inside. And this is a chamfer bolt. Okay, I'll explain this later to you. So you can see the assembly coming together. And now, basically, you need a flathead screwdriver. Lift up the nipple a bit, slot your screwdriver in and pry, and the whole assembly is out. Okay, let's look into detail on this nipple itself. This is how the nipple is being assembled. So as we tighten the nipple, the seat pole nipple, we are forcing the chamfer nut to actually force its way in. As it forces its way in, it opens up the nipple tip or the end of the nipple. That is where you force a grip onto your seat pole. So the whole idea is basically to unscrew, which is what you saw me doing it earlier. Unscrew the bolt, remove the bolt, and you saw me slotting my Phillips head in. And what I'm doing is I'm knocking this piece out, so creating an even surface here where I pried it out from the seat pole. This is how you removed it, and then this is a very good seat pole nipple, and it can be reused. A lot of them end up throwing it away because they don't know how to remove this seat pole nipple. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.